Hello everyone. Today we shall look into ISINSCOPE function. ISINSCOPE function, it returns true when the specified column is the level in a hierarchy of levels. Let us see how it works. This function is not supported for use in direct query mode when it is used in calculated columns or row level security rules. We shall look into an example. I'll select a matrix. Okay, in rows I'll include brand. I'll include operator where we could see the data in hierarchy. In values, I'll include the measure which is total sales where we have the sum of sales. Okay, here I'll expand it to the next level. You could see that here I have brand and operator where total sales is separated accordingly, filtered accordingly. Here let us understand how ISINSCOPE measure works. I'll click on the measure table. I'll create a new measure. I'll name the measure as ISINSCOPE measure equal to ISINSCOPE. I'll open the parenthesis. I will write the column name which is operator. I'll close the parenthesis, hit enter. Here I'll select the matrix. I'll bring in the measure. You could notice the difference that for operator we are getting the true condition and for the brand it is false condition. Whatever the wherever the operator is in scope, we are having the true condition, and for the brand it is false condition. Let us see how to utilize it with respect to total sales. I will click on the measure table. I'll create a new measure. I will name the measure as total sales using ISINSCOPE equal to, I'll write if condition. In the logical test, I'll write ISINSCOPE. I'll use operator column. I'll close the parenthesis. If my operator is in scope, I want total sales. Otherwise, in the false condition, I'll mention blank. Okay, this is a simple if condition where if my operator in scope, I want total sales. Otherwise, I want blank condition. Okay, let us bring into the matrix and see how it works. Here you could see that wherever the operator is in scope, I'm getting the total sales. Wherever the operator is not in scope, I'm receiving the blanks. Okay, I could make the changes in the measure. Suppose that I want in a reverse condition, I could write not is in scope operator in the logical condition. I will select it. Here you could see that the total sales will be represented only for brands, and wherever the operators are present, here we are getting the blanks. If this is the scenario where we want to fetch the relevant output, we could modify the measures and by using ISINSCOPE and get the necessary output. I hope ISINSCOPE measure is understandable. Okay, you could use several aggregation functions and you could even play with it by using it in different conditions. This is all for now. Thank you for watching and we shall meet in the next video.